fuck is wrong with you, animal? What is wrong with you? Why? I don't want to see that. I like watching you being tortured by Karen. Are you giving kisses? Hello, hello. You're a good girl, aren't you? Well, you're not really, are you, but... Right, I'm going now. Are you going to come to bed, Gary? Going to come in? No? Alright then. Gary, I've just watched you doing that with Robbie. I'm glad to see you're back where you're supposed to be, Karen. Gary, can you keep her where she's supposed to be? No way are you going to jump on him. No. Karen, no, you'll scare... No! Oh, you weren't that scared, Bob. Are you used to it? She's done that before, baby.